Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change servers in Dark Wars Survival. Alright, let's begin. So all you have to do is to go to the top left corner of the screen, which is your survivor profile. Over here you can see the account button left to the settings option. Now, in order to actually control which server you're in, you're going to have an account. You can do this by binding. Now to bind your account, it will take at least a minute as it does have to give you a verification code, but it shouldn't take too long. As you can see here, the account binding is now successful and now I can confirm. Now once you have an email, bind it to your account, go to the same section and you can now press on character management to be able to switch servers. Basically state 1, 2, 8 or the general idea of a state is what a server is. So basically, I'm on server 163, so if I create another character here, you'll be able to choose what state will go into, and keep note that in every state, you will have different account, so a different level watchtower to whichever server you are and whichever account you use. So that's basically how you can change servers in Dark Wars Survival. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.